Is that anybody can get it. You just have to make sure that you're 18 and older. So if you're 18 and older, you can go ahead and get this account. So I'm going to show you guys my screen and tell you guys exactly how it works. Now, it took a month for them to report to the credit bureaus. For me, my credit score went up after the month, but let's go ahead and show you the steps that you have to take to get signed up for this. Go ahead and sign up for this account. Now let's go down here to the bottom to see how it works. So you will easily be approved for this account, even if you have bad credit. It's a great way so you can actually build good credit. They're going to give you immediate approval for up to $5,000. So I'm going to do an approval for somebody now so you guys can see how it works. Just make sure that you're 18 years old, you make at least $1,400 a month, and then you just do that secure online application. So if you have prior bad credit history, it doesn't matter, good or bad, they're going to go ahead and approve you. So the steps that you have to take is you need to do this. You need to make sure you place a minimum order of $100. And then after you do that, you need to make at least a 50% payment towards that order. And then you need to log into your account and e-sign your document. And I'll show you exactly how to do that. And this is the key part for those people that's out there. So those are just the easy 3 steps. For those people that's out there that do hard inquiry removals, because I show you guys how to remove inquiries. If you guys need help with that, definitely go ahead and click this right here, because I'm going to have a pop-up so you can go ahead and see how to remove inquiries. But if you dispute this inquiry for any reason, they're going to close your account. So I always tell you guys, if you want to get an inquiry off, make sure you dispute it before you right before it posts to the credit bureaus. But with this account, if you dispute it, you're not going to get anything at all. So what I want you to do is just go ahead and see probably what you want to get. Let's look up some watches. I'm gonna see if I can find like a nice man watch that I can get. And remember, you just need to place an order of at least $100. So let's just try to find something that we can go ahead and get. Let's just go ahead and click right here, and let's just get this one here before I change my mind. I just want to get something that's at least $100, because remember, you got to buy something for $100. So I just want to get this one right here. Hopefully they'll like it. So let's go ahead and purchase this one. So we add it to the cart. Now we want to click checkout now. We don't want to keep playing around. We know what we want. And let's use this code HOLIDAY too, so we can get 20% off our order. So I want to click apply now. And when you click apply now, look right here. They'll tell you how much your down payment to buy this will be. Don't forget, you'll have to pay your down payment plus your $99 today. So let's go ahead and fill out this application. Make sure that you're putting your information in here. And if you have any questions about this information, don't forget, you can always call them and they should be able to go through the application. So the information that they're going to need for you so far, I can see they want to know if you're male or female. So I'm going to put male because it's the male person is a male. I have to do birthday, social security number, your full name, your address. They want to know your home phone number if you have one. They want to know your driver's license number and then your residence type too. Now, driver's license number is not in red. So if you see like a red asterisk next to it, that means you have to do it. You don't have to do it, but that's something that you could put there. Your previous address too. If it's not, like if you haven't been at your address for a long time, you need your previous address, your current employer, your previous employer, and then they want you to create login information for this account. So create a login information, and they want you to confirm your email. Now listen too, they say that you agree to a hard inquiry from Experian. So this is what it's going to look like, you guys. You're going to get a hard inquiry from this company, from Experian. So let's go ahead and fill out this application, and I will come back to you guys. So I have everything in, you guys. So let's go ahead and click submit. So the next thing that they want us to do is they want us to go ahead and put our card number in. So they're basically saying that we are authorized them to charge us $155.45 today. And then next time we will have to pay the $56.45 after we actually get the item in a report. And remember, you guys, you're going to get the MJR finance on your credit report with Experian. So now they're saying, congratulations, you're pre-approved for $5,000. I think that they pre-approved everybody for $5,000. So the next thing that we have to do is just go ahead and answer a few questions. So let's go ahead and log into the account and answer a few questions. Now, let me go ahead and put the username in, and I'll check back with you guys, and we're going to click log in. So now that we're in the account, you guys, your name and your number will be here, but that is blocked out now. And here's the information here. So our available credit, we still have $4,900 basically available, and our balance is $56.45. And our credit limit is $5,000. Now, anything you buy from the store, they're going to request that you go ahead and put 50% down on it right now, and then you can pay the rest of it later. So let's go ahead and sign our documents. Right here, you can see e-sign document. Let's go ahead and click there. Now that we clicked e-sign documents, they want us to put our information in here, you guys. So they're going to need your name, social security number, and your date of birth again. So let's go ahead and put that information in. So now they want us to answer some security questions. So I'm going to go ahead and answer some security questions, you guys, and I will be back with you guys. Now you guys are all the way signed up for this account. So what I want you guys to understand